Good afternoon, ngayon po ay July 23, 2025 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2pm draw result ngayong July 23, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm draw result ngayong Wednesday, July 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. See you again later for 5pm draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 23, 2025 Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, July 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of July 23, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.